Louisiana. Join Pastor Eric A. Williams, First Lady Iris Williams, and the Family of Light Friday, January 18th and Friday, January 25th for Jumpstart Explosion 2013, 7 p.m. nightly. Since we are the church where the Spirit of God is the motivating force, come ignite the Spirit within and praise our living God. Special guests include Bishop Larry D. Trotter of Chicago, Illinois, Friday, January 18th.
You ought to cover them in the blood. Before you get on a plane or a train, you got to ask God, even before you get in your car on your way to work, you should say, God, I need you to cover this car with the blood because the blood protects. Can I go just a little higher?
And Bishop Oscar Brown of Baltimore, Maryland, Friday, January 25th.
If you made it out of the hood, if you could work with those demons on your job, if you can deal with those crazy family members, then surely you ought to be able to stand a few church folks.
2012 was the year of extra effort, but 2013 is the year of personal action. Take action now and join us for Jumpstart Explosion 2013, held at Beacon Light of Baton Rouge, 7513 Prescott Road in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. For more information, call 225-358-9071. That's 225-358-9071. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or visit us online at beaconlightofbatonrouge.org. Jumpstart Explosion 2013.